Have you ever noticed how some people with simple, average jobs seem calm about money, while others with high incomes are constantly stressed? The truth is uncomfortable but powerful. Financial freedom isn't about earning more. It's about living with intention. Most money problems don't come from low income. They come from cluttered decisions, emotional spending, and systems that work against us instead of for us. Today, I will reveal the secret to financial freedom. 5 principles that change everything. The ones that quietly transform how money flows in your life. These are not hacks. They are foundations. So sit back and relax, and let's start with Principle 1. Remove the financial noise. Wealth doesn't disappear overnight. It leaks away slowly through forgotten subscriptions, impulse purchases, and things we don't even remember buying. Take a look at your expenses. How much money leaves your account without adding real value to your life? Every unnecessary expense is not just lost money, it's lost peace. When you remove financial clutter, clarity appears, and clarity is the first step toward control. Before trying to grow wealth, clean what's already draining it. Principle 2. Build systems, not willpower. Willpower fades, systems don't. Most people rely on motivation to save, invest, or pay bills on time, and then blame themselves when it fails. Instead, let your money move automatically. Automate savings. Automate bills. Automate investments. When good decisions happen in the background, you remove emotion from money. And emotion is what causes most financial mistakes. A simple system today becomes financial security tomorrow. Principle 3. Pause before you buy. Impulse buying is one of the fastest ways wealth disappears. The solution is simple, but powerful. Pause. When you want something non-essential, write it down and wait. Let the excitement fade. Let logic return. Most things we want feel unnecessary after time passes. Minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about buying with purpose, only what truly adds value. That pause between desire and action can save you thousands over a lifetime. Principle 4. Focus on fewer, bigger goals. Scattered goals create scattered results. Instead of chasing many financial targets at once, choose 3 meaningful priorities. Maybe it's building an emergency fund, eliminating high-interest debt, starting long-term investing. Every spending decision should support those goals. When money has direction, progress becomes visible, and visible progress builds confidence. Focused energy creates focused wealth. Principle 5. Choose quality over quantity. This principle changes everything. Buying cheap things repeatedly costs more than buying quality once. That applies to clothes, tools, food, and even time. Quality lasts longer. Quality performs better. Quality reduces stress. But the deeper lesson goes beyond objects. Choose quality experiences. Choose quality relationships. Choose quality information. When you stop chasing more, satisfaction quietly grows, and spending naturally shrinks. Financial freedom isn't about having more money. It's about having more options, more calm, more control, more space to grow. When you remove excess, automate wisely, slow your decisions, focus your goals, and choose quality, you stop fighting money and start guiding it. You don't need to change everything today. Just choose one principle and begin. Small, consistent choices compound into life-changing results. Your future self is shaped by the decisions you make now. Choose simplicity. Choose intention. Choose better. And that's where financial freedom truly begins. So please click like and subscribe, and we'll tell you more wealthy flow strategy. Thank you.